And big news coming in. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has launched a fresh attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party and RSS. Rahul Gandhi alleging Bharatiya Janata Party and the RSS control Facebook and WhatsApp in India. Rahul Gandhi took to social media site Twitter, and I quote here, Bharatiya Janata Party and the RSS control Facebook and WhatsApp in India. They spread fake news and hatred through it, use it to influence the electorate. Finally, the American media has come out with the truth about Facebook, unquote. All right, Anand Patel with all the latest. Anand, that's a very strong allegation. Why is this being made, and from where has suddenly this BJP or RSS controlling social media controversies emerging?
Well, Pooja, Rahul Gandhi has quoted Wall Street Journal report which came out yesterday. The report has alleged, after talking to some current and former employees of the Facebook who have not been named in the report, that the Facebook is following a dual policy as far as acting against, cracking whip against those involved in hate speech.
Okay.
Now, while it follows the policy verbatim in US, where it has taken action against people who spread hate speeches, when it comes to India, the leadership of Facebook in India has been opposed to any such action. The beneficiaries of this have been leaders and politicians related to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, Rahul Gandhi has alleged that the Facebook officials in India, they have not been acting against those involved in hate speeches, despite the company's policy to act against such individuals and organizations. So
stay on with me, Anand, stay on with me, because we are getting reactions now. Anila Singh of Bharatiya Janata Party is joining me. So, Anila Singh, that's a big charge that because Bharatiya Janata Party is the ruling party, it is controlling social media, and this is a direct attack being made by Rahul Gandhi.
I think Rahul Gandhi has lost totally. We have seen that lately he has started behaving in a very absurd manner. This is the fake, I can say, fake, false, or whatever word you want to use for it, you can use it, that Rahul Gandhi is saying about Bharatiya Janata Party, about RSS. And what he is talking about, he's talking about Facebook, he's talking about Twitter, he's talking about other social media platforms, and he's saying that since Bharatiya Janata Party is in power, that is why they are misusing it, they are influencing electorates. I mean, then what he has to say about all those states where Congress is in power?
But Anila Singh, the charge is that it is basically the hate speech. It is basically trying to use these social media platforms to spread hate, whether it's against minorities or in general, from their party's perspective. That's mainly the charge.
Again, I will say that I think he has lost his mind totally. How can he say that Facebook or Twitter or any other social media platform is being controlled by Bharatiya Janata Party, and Bharatiya Janata Party IT cell is going to decide that whether this particular post is hate post or not. If this is hate post, then it should be, since it is from BJP worker, it should be allowed to be posted, and if some Congressy posts it, then it should be banned. What he is talking about, at least he should talk some sense. That is why I say that it is not Indian National Congress, it is Indian National Confused Party. They are thoroughly confused people.
Internationally confused party is what the Bharatiya Janata Party is saying. Anila Singh, thank you so much for all the latest on this. So, a fresh charge by Rahul Gandhi over social media posts being hijacked. Moving on now.